Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through and show you the recent changes that have been made in the latest version of N8N. This is 2.0 beta. I have the official announcement on the website over here. As you can see, it focuses on secure by default execution with better reliability and performance. This was published just a few days ago on December 8th. So you can read through this entire document at your own leisure. But in this video, I just want to take you through and show you some of the changes since I've just recently updated it over here. This is running on a self-hosted instance on Hostinger. It's a VPS that I have set up that's running N8N. And at the end of this video, I'll also show you how to update it. But as you can see, I'm now running N8N 2.0. And yeah, let's just go through some of the changes. I can't actually compare version 1 versus version 2 in this video because I've already updated to the latest version, but I'm just going to go ahead and open one of my workflows right here, and right away you can see it's got a much cleaner interface. It's much smoother. You can't really see the dots in the background as much as you previously could, and it's just got this fresh new look and feel. I really like the new design. So if I go ahead and I just open one of these nodes here, you can see that I can also easily navigate between the nodes just by clicking right here. So that's a new feature that makes it a lot easier just in terms of ease of use, basically. So you can just scroll through. You don't have to click through and come back to the main screen for your workflow every single time. So if I click on execute, you'll notice right away that it's just got this spinner around and then it turns green. So previously this would just be like a red circle that spins around, but now it's just got this really nice look and feel to it where it circulates around like that. And it also seems a bit faster and more responsive as well. And we can also take a look at the sidebar. As you can see, I can easily just click up here and then it will pull out, and I can also resize it as well, which you couldn't do in the previous version. And they've also announced this new publish save, which introduces a new deliberate safer paradigm for pushing workflow changes live to production. Previously, you could only save it, but you couldn't actually publish the workflow. But now you can publish it. So those are some of the recent changes. It's a little bit underwhelming, I will say, in terms of, the new things that it can do. But overall, I think this is definitely a positive step forward for N8N, and I look forward to putting it to use. I want to show you also how to update this if you're running on Hostinger as well. I'll leave a link down below if you want to create your free account and self-host in N8N, because it's a little bit cheaper than going through the official cloud service provider. And if I just go ahead and open a terminal here, I actually have one running already. I'm going to show you the command that you have to type in right here. So all you have to type in is docker pull, and then you put docker.n8n.io, N8N.io/N8N, and then the most important step is at the end here, you have to put semicolon 2.0.0. So that's going to tell it to pull the latest beta version 2.0. And if I run this, it's obviously already updated to the latest version, so it's going to just say image is up to date for Docker N8N. So you can see here for the image, it just says Docker N8N, and then it's using the latest version right there. Let's see, yeah, Docker compose up -D, so that's basically just going to restart it, and that's pretty much all there is to it. And then you will have the latest version of N8N running over here. So as you can see, I've got the latest version, and also they've changed some things for settings here as well. So if you click on this, it just opens right away. Previously there was a profile button down here, and this menu didn't open. You had to go to do it separately. So that's another interface change they've made. And yeah, it's also a lot more secure as well. So if we come back to the published document over here, you can see they've made some changes to the security and then also the performance as well. There's speed improvements. And I also want to show you what this looks like as well. If I open up one of my more, complicated workflows right here, we can zoom in and we can just go through this step by step. So it's going to get the file from Google Drive, it's going to download the file, it's going to upload it to YouTube, and you can watch as all these steps are taking place, and you can also just quickly and easily navigate between the nodes as well. I would say this is one of the best new features of N8N 2. It just makes it really easy to switch between the nodes. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And then also feel free to check out my Skool community. It's growing fast. We're getting more and more people coming in, mostly from LinkedIn recently. Got about 1,700 members in here at the time of recording. And you can find all of my how-to guides, tutorials, courses. You can even schedule a call with me inside the classroom as well. And then I have a lot of the N8N templates that I've built, which are available in the classroom. Most of these are you will have to join the paid plan to get access to. But yeah, I would love to see you inside the Skool community. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I've just been showing you some of the new features in N8N 2.0. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Signing off.